Okay, we automatic whipping, smooth style sticking. Yes, I'm on a mission, and can't nobody stop me. Call up on a shipment, cause yes, I make commission. Let these people level up before they try to trap me. Okay, we automatic whipping.
What is good, my guys and girls of YouTube? My name is Justin Omoi, if you haven't known, and today I'm talking about this thing for y'all. Finally, is USB Super USB cassette capture. I'm trying to read it backwards, it's weird. But yeah, a little USB tape recorder that will apparently go into the computer and translate the music from the tape to the computer. My grandmama, she has a lot of tapes, and she was like, yo, is there a way you could make this go into a CD? And I was like, yeah. But for the most part, she gave me a whole bunch of cassette tapes, and I'm going to be, translating one of them or playing, see how it works out. Basically a review for this piece of junk. A really cool thing about this cassette tape is that you are able to power it with just the USB. I tested out. They also use 2 AA batteries, and there's like a DC port if you got a 3-volt 200 milliamp or something like that wire. You can plug it in, but USB, we got a USB, so that's cool. We're gonna go ahead and test it out, and I'm gonna show y'all how it sounds. I got this wire connected to the 2 speakers, monitor speakers. I'm gonna go ahead and open a cassette right here, but take this one, Shaggy, Hot Shots. This was like the jam back in the days. Still is the jams. All you gotta do, take the tape, make sure the tape is on the top, and put it in. If it zooms in. Why does it zoom into my hand? Anyways, and then close, and we good. Oh wait, we need the USB. Then take the little sound. Alright, all that's left is to make sure the volume is up, which it is, and hit play. It's spinning. Alright, there we go. Hey. Don't y'all hate this shit? I'll let you know it works perfectly with headphones, so it's this wire I gotta fix. I'm gonna look for my song though. Maybe I gotta put this in the other way. See, this is 90s problems, dog. Y'all 2000 people, y'all got it easy. You gotta fast forward or rewind in this case. There's my song. There's my song, dog. Let's go back to it. Let's go. Just on the monster on my shoulder.
Wasn't me.
Heard the words that I told her.
Wasn't me.
Heard the scream getting louder.
Wasn't me.
She said I really was over. Honey came in and she got me red-handed.
Alright, so you can see. Let me unplug this shit too, cause that shit's gonna blow up. Anyways, you can see it works like that, but of course we gotta see how it works with the computer. And luckily it comes with some software, aka a tiny little CD that I'll put into my computer. It also comes with a card, or what is it, a little coupon or some shit, a little thank you note, and a book to tell me how to use a cassette tape like I wasn't born in the 90s or something. Oh, and the computer program. Oh, it comes with oh no, it's showing Audacity. The audacity of that. It also comes with a USB and a old school headphones, but who the hell using that nowadays, bro? Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and install the software and see how this works out, and yeah, you'll see me on the computer, I guess. Alright guys, I'm not even lying. This is what's on the CD. Just Audacity and the user guide to tell me how to do it. But to be honest, I was expecting less. I thought we had to use like the auxiliary out into the computer or something. Because I saw this, I was like, what? But I realized that this is actually acting as a USB microphone. So that really, gave it a plus on that side. You passed my expectations. So you can see here, when I hit play on the device, you'll see that it's doing action over there on the microphone. That basically means screw Audacity, screw the CD. I didn't even need the CD. I'm gonna do it in FL Studio, of course. I guess I'll use ASIO for all and see how it sounds with the USB part. And yeah, I basically put ASIO for all, as you see here. ASIO settings, ASIO for all. But look at all this. Like, what is Fav Sub wave? All that, I don't know. Maybe I could do a different ASIO port and try it out, but anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and hit play. I'll switch back to the microphone. You can hear there halfway. Yeah, it actually works out good. I'm gonna go ahead and hit play.
I never used to see I make the jiggle flex. I started to favor your image complex. Seeing is believing, so you better change your specs. You know she have a bring a whole heap of things up from the past. All the little evidence you better know for mass. Big for your hands, sir, no off it up. But if you back a gun, you know you better run fast.
Alright, I'm back. Here we see the tape and we see a lot of stuff going on. So let me go ahead and check this up for y'all. So you could obviously hear tape noise in it.
You better change your specs. You know she have a bring a whole heap of things up from the past. All the little evidence you better know for mass. Big for your hands, sir, no off it up. But if you back a gun, you know you better run fast.
But you got me on the counter.
Alright. So over here, when I hit stop, you can see this noise here. That's the USB. That's all the, you know, crap inside of the tape, the little chip stuff, electrical noise. So yeah, I'm gonna take this, right click to denoise, and I'm gonna see if that helps the song. Did it help? That helped the most of it. So of course there's more noise in it, or not more, but there's still noise in it that we could deal with. I'm gonna put this in the playlist so we can have a better look at it. And yeah, I don't think I was distorting, but yeah, it's all good. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna run in a plugin from Waves with the 32. The restoration stuff. So let's see. I'm gonna start with X noise. My voice is like automatically delayed because of this thing on. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and test this out.
I never used to see I make the jiggle flex. I started to favor your image complex. Seeing is believing, so you better change your specs. You know she have a bring a whole heap of things up on right for vex. I never used to see I make the jiggle flex. I started to favor.
So you can see a definite difference between that.
Right for vex. I never used to see I make the jiggle flex. I started to favor your image complex. Seeing is believing, so you better change your specs. You know she have a bring a whole heap of things up on the past.
It does take out from the high, but you know, that's because that's where all the noise is.
Right for vex. I never used to see I make the jiggle flex.
Now, do you hear all that little when the tape stop happens? I think that's something we could use with X Crackle. So let me try that out. X Crackle stereo. Let's see if this helps.
I started to favor your image. To favor your image. To favor your. To favor. To favor your image. To favor. To favor. To favor.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me take off the noise and see if that works.
To favor. To favor.
Do you hear that little static? Like, it sounds like this. Okay, I can't really do it, but it's like crackly. That. With it off, you can't really hear that sound at all. So yeah, guys and girls, this is the Super USB cassette capture right here. Do you guys and girls have tapes that you would want to convert into MP3s or WAV files like I did in, you know, the computer right there just now? If so, let me know. You know what I'm saying? Yo, I ain't gonna do it, but I'll leave a link in the description for this where I bought it on Amazon. Only $20. So yeah, I like it. Thank you guys and girls for watching. Thumbs up the video if you enjoy it. My name is Justin Omoi. And with that being said, peace. I'm out.